See the rag and the clamp? So that unit in there is missing its little rubber isolator and it's all loose. So we're going to take this bolt loose. 13%. Up on the top, we're going to take that bolt loose from the steering and compress this shaft so we can get the whole unit out. At least that's the plan. Did you strap down that steering wheel, or is it locked in place?
It's locked. There we go. Go to the bottom.
We need more extensions.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Nope, that's not a 13. Let me double check. No, that's a 13.
It's your angle.
Yeah.
We'll put
it from under here.
No, we'll put the wobbler on it.
Wait.
You think?
No, I can get it from there.
Get the wrong wrench. Did it your finger or did it turn?
I might have stripped it out. Can we rotate it down? The nut? Can we rotate it down here where I can get it?
The whole steering mechanism?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That'd be awesome. There you go. Got it. It's on the windshield.
It's full of grease. It's full. Spreader.
Wow, this is so much better. I thought I was going to be black by the time I came out of here. Glad we cleaned it off.
I don't work like you.
I guess before we try to back it off, you want to straighten the steering wheel, or do you just want to go with it?
Did you spread it?
Yeah, it's spread.
Straighten it. I think we can leave the steering wheel right there.
Okay.
You think that shit's gonna move?
No. We're gonna find out.
It's moving. You hit your hand.
There it is. It's
Okay,
out.
it's out. It wasn't too bad. Okay, whoa, whoa, whoa.
I'm just pushing it back.
I see that. But this whole shaft will come loose.
Yeah. It should pull right off, but
yeah, it's just got a little rubber thing. You want to pull down?
yeah, I can take it down here.
Go ahead. Keep going. Okay, you're out. Put it down so we can look at your...
No.
So this is an example. Get out of the sunlight. This is how you don't want to do a roadside repair. With a rag and a clamp and a whatever that is. So the problem is there's a piece in here that's supposed to hold all this together. So we tap this out and then we can get the whole thing out?
Well,
supposedly?
So the kit's going to come with everything. So we don't have to take anything out.
What do you mean, this whole
Yeah,
unit?
it's coming with the whole piece.
The whole unit gets replaced?
Yep, everything.
Okay, even better.
Yep, we don't have to do nothing with it.
Okay, so all we need is the new piece and then we can reinstall. So here's the new piece.
Which side's this blind side? Okay. Sorry.
You're in the freaking light. You ready?
Yeah.
Go. Do you want to try to put this piece on at the same time?
I mean,
Or get your piece
no, let me get my piece on,
Okay.
and then we'll put that piece on. I gotta get it to line up with these splines. There we go. She's
Just
in.
slid right on.
Yeah.
That was so easy.
Yeah, but so no, that's how I had it. Okay.
Yeah, it's pretty close. Okay, so I got the thread locker. I'm going to put some on the screw.
Okay.
Or the bolt, whatever you want to call it.
Hopefully I didn't fuck this up. Because I can't remember which side is the threads and which side isn't.
It only goes on one way.
Yeah.
The thread should be the other side.
Damn.
And you got to get it adjusted up or down to fit the groove. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's just a couple thousandths of an inch.
Yeah.
Here. See if we can get it on there. If not, I'll
Okay.
now the bolt goes through
bolt goes through.
Yeah, the bolt goes through. See? Okay.
I'm satisfied with that.
Okay. No, you're gonna double check me.
I'm not double checking you. It's for me.
I know. Yeah.
It's for my sanity.
Hey.
Yep.
Stop.
Okay.
I can get it from up here. See what happens. Nothing? I can't push. It's not going to go down any further.
Okay, hang on. Let me get the light again. Can you turn it just a little bit? Oh, we're stuck.
We could try spreading it open a little bit, maybe?
No, I think we're not. I don't think we're stuck. I think it's actually in there. It's just ready to turn.
It's just a groove.
Yeah, it's turning now.
Yeah, but you're turning it the wrong way. It's not lined up with the other threads.
That's what I'm trying to do. I got both of them down here.
Mm-hmm.
There we go.
So this piece was rubbing on there. So we had to adjust the brake lines a little bit to get this to clear. I got the bolt in up here. And so this one, it's fully started, so we can torque this one down. Some more left turn.
More left turn.
More left turn. Stop. What's the torque spec on this thing? All you got?
Probably 80.
Okay.
Wait, it's aluminum. 40.
That seems pretty good. Hey! Look what he did. Put that where it belongs. It doesn't go on the ground underneath your mat. Not on the ground underneath your